iExec focuses on blockchain-based cloud computing. iExec builds the first marketplace for trading computing resources in the world. We build an ecosystem which allows people to easily contribute and monetize their own computing resources in a secure way. So whenever you are a computing resource provider, such as if you are a server provider, if you are application provider, or if you are dataset provider, you can always join iExec network to contribute and monetize your computing resources. iExec has been making significant efforts to enhance the security of decentralized cloud computing by implementing the most advanced security solutions. As part of this, we started looking at secure computing technology such like Intel SCX. We are impressed with the work that Fortanix was doing with Intel SCX. In particular, Fortanix runtime encryption can protect applications with SGX without requiring any modifications. Fortanix runtime encryption solution offers powerful capabilities to protect applications running in decentralized cloud. Fortanix was also very responsive to clients' requirements, for example, on some specific requirements on blockchain-based use case. We like that the Fortanix solution is integrated with IBM Cloud, as that offers an end-to-end easy consumption model. Our cooperation with Fortanix is addressing security and privacy that are critical to iExec platform in terms of successful blockchain adoption.